How do I access live football streaming on Amazon Prime?
Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to access live football streaming on Amazon Prime. If you're a football enthusiast and an Amazon Prime member, you're in for a treat. Let's dive into it.
What is Amazon Prime?
Amazon Prime is a paid subscription service offered by Amazon that provides several benefits, including access to Prime Video. Prime Video hosts a variety of content, such as films, TV shows, and live sports including football.
How do I know if live football is available in my country?
Amazon Prime offers live football streaming in specific countries. It's essential to check whether live football is available in your country before proceeding. Navigate to the Amazon Prime Video section and look for sports or live events to confirm this.
How do I sign up for Amazon Prime?
If you're not an Amazon Prime member yet, you can easily sign up. Simply visit Amazon's website, look for the Prime tab, and follow the instructions. You can start with a free trial if available in your country, but remember, it's a subscription service and fees apply after the trial period.
How do I access live football streaming on Amazon Prime?
Once you've confirmed the availability of live football in your region and have an active Amazon Prime subscription, follow these steps to access live football streaming. 1. Sign into your Amazon account and navigate to Prime Video. 2. Select Sports or Live Events in the menu. 3. Look for the live football matches or related terms like your preferred football league. 4. Select the football match you want to watch. 5. Enjoy the game. Remember, the availability of matches depends on the broadcast rights that Amazon holds in your country. That wraps up our guide on how to access live football streaming on Amazon Prime. Enjoy the convenience of streaming your favorite football matches right from your living room. Remember, the availability of games is subject to broadcasting rights and your location. Happy streaming, and let the best team win!